Look at this boat, sweetie. Holy smokes. Huh. I thought this was somebody's house, but it more and more looks like a hotel. Let's return to the dock. We have plenty of change left in the car, right? Yeah. Parking over at Newport Beach. That's okay, we can stop off. I want to stop off at 7-Eleven anyway, get something to drink. We can ask them, what do you want? Yeah, do that. That's your video. Take me on the boat. So we're heading back to the dock. Been out here over an hour. I was showing Mike a whole bunch of houses. It's kind of like that pontoon boat we rented in Orlando. This thing goes about as fast. Mike enjoyed himself. Did you enjoy yourself, Mike? I did.
Alright, alright.
How things, sweetie? Well, I'll send you some more videos later. Bye-bye.